Okay, students, this one is our question. In this question, we have to convert one binary number into decimal number. Binary number is that whose base is 2, decimal number is that whose base is 10. Okay, so here we have to convert this binary into decimal. We already know that binary number system is a weighted number system. Weighted number system, it means that bit position means suppose this one is 0th bit, this one is 0th bit, so its weight will be 2 raised to power 0. Why 2? Because base is 2. Its position is first position, so its weight will be 2 raised to power 1. Its weight will be 2 raised to power 2, and its weight will be 2 raised to power 3. Same as last bit, its weight will be 2 raised to power 4. So when we have to convert any binary number or any number, I repeat, when we have to convert any number system with to the decimal number system, so at that time we need to multiply the weight of that number system with that particular bit. Okay, it means that we have to multiply 2 raised to power 0 with this 0, 2 raised to power 1 this with this 1. Okay, so let's start our conversion. In this conversion we starting from the 0th bit, so here we multiplied 0, so here we multiplied 0 with, okay, fine, so here we multiplied 0, here we multiplied 0 with 2 raised to power 0. Okay, then we add 1 with 2 raised to power 1. Same as we multiplied 0 again with 2 raised to power 2. Same, we multiplied 1 with 2 raised to power 3. And at last add we multiplied this one with 2 raised to power 4. Okay, so what we will get in the end when we multiplied 0 with any bit, so we get 0, here we will get 2, here because of the 0 multiplication we get 0 here, same as here we get 8, same as here we get 16. So what we will get in the final? We will get in the final 26, and this 26 is nothing but a decimal number. Okay, so what we studied here? We studied here if any number system, suppose here the number system is binary, that's why we have multiplied 2 raised to power 0. If the number system is octal, so what we will multiply here? At the time we will multiply here 8 raised to power 0. Okay, so always remember that when we convert any number system to the decimal number system, at that time we will multiply that particular bit with the base. Okay, thank you so much.